Hello everyone.
Happy December 20th. Today we celebrate games, carols, and the joy of playful music. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's Games Day, a playful celebration of board games and fun. A great gift could be a board game set, a puzzle pack, or a trivia card deck. What's your favorite game night pick? Let's play in the comments. Next, it's Go Caroling Day, a festive tradition of singing and cheer. A thoughtful gift could be a carol songbook, a holiday playlist, or a cozy scarf for caroling. What's your favorite carol? Let's sing in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 5 days away, and the countdown is ringing with joyful carols. It's International Human Solidarity Day, a reminder of unity and compassion. A sweet gift could be a donation to a solidarity cause, a friendship bracelet kit, or a kindness calendar. How do you show solidarity? Let's unite in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 16th to 20th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.